And Kundalini is dangerous because it completely changes the way you think. It completely changes everything in your life. And if you're not ready for that, I mean, it can be a very dangerous thing to the fragile mind. It can be a very dangerous thing to the strong mind. You know? Seeing angels, seeing spirits, seeing your ancestors, feeling what your body was designed to feel, really unleashing the power of the nimbus and being able to see and sit within your chariot, your Merkaba, to be able to glimpse what this thing actually looks like. It is so beautiful. The glory of these states of consciousness can drive you insane. So most people think if they have angel visions and all this stuff and they see angels, they're just going to be granted all this peace and all this stuff. But again, we live in such a lower animal kingdom. We live in the land of the bottom feeder to such an extent that when you glimpse the glory of these different angelic hierarchies and actually see them and touch them and feel them and communicate with them, these beings are so pure that it can drive you absolutely insane to bear witness to the glory. So, you know, that may sound kind of crazy or it may sound kind of contradictory that bearing witness to angels can drive you insane, but it's the truth, ladies and gentlemen. Also, bearing witness to the purity of these angelic kingdoms can really drive you a little crazy and make you feel ungrounded, because it allows you to see the distance between you and the purity of these beings. These beings we were designed to be as pure as these angels. In a perfected state, we were designed to actually be able to walk around this dimension with our Kundalini completely stimulated, constantly moving through our vertebra, our spinal system, enlightening every part of the glandular system and the cellular structure, the musculoskeletal system, cerebral cortex, brainstem, you name it. We were designed to be walking around with the schism of the left and right brain bridged, the sacred spade of the heart activated with the toroidal field around us, activating the Merkaba, the nimbus, the aura, you name it. We were designed to be walking around this dimension, moving around this dimension in that starship known as the Merkaba. And when the Merkaba is completely alive around you, it allows you to actually see your holy guardian angels that surround you. So we are designed to be as pure as these angels. And when you have a Kundalini awakening and you bear witness to the angelic kingdom, that doesn't always happen, but for many it does. When that happens, you now see, once the Kundalini wears off, the distance between you and that state of purity of the angels. I hope that makes sense.